I like on this M3 sedan. I actually like the carbon fiber spoiler, and it looks like these are like aftermarket exhaust as well. The HR3 wheels. And it looks like it's also lowered as well. Front splitter looks really nice. So one thing I like about this Mercedes is, thanks for that, is the carbon fiber roof. That roof really gives Mercedes that nice, beautiful look. I don't think it's actually, now I'm looking closer to it, it's not carbon fiber, but it's still something beautiful. That looks nice. And I also like the AMG brakes on this. Even though the M was pretty cool, the AMG ones rule a little bit better. They look, and I think the AMG brake calipers are actually better than the M brake calipers as well. But yeah, I think this is, yeah. Also the AMG like pipe exhaust as well. It actually has the AMG emblem as well. Sorry if I'm a little stuffed up. Been out here for a good while. My nose is starting to get a little stuffed up, but still, on the likes of you, all for you guys, I love you guys. Anyways, oh, this has Michelin Pilot Sport tires on them. That's pretty cool. Vehicle virgins, this was for you. Michelin Pilot Sports. Jesus! Oh my gosh! Right, putting a sound warning right there. Jesus! That subscriber's gonna go deaf. Woo! That is insane. I dare not to get any closer, because I know for a gosh darn fact that my ears are going to bleed out. Oh boy. I think this one's I think he's leaving. Jeez. Let's get a good exhaust. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Damn! Damn! Ah! Woo! Good. Let them ball eagles fly. Let them ball eagles fly. Woo! Let them ball eagles fly, baby! Woo! Those ball eagles are gonna make them proud. Woo! The Mustang Challenger crew is moving out. Woo! Hello. Hello. He's running back to his car to hurry up. Woo! All right, here we go. And the final. Yep, I believe the final one. Yep. Woo! Almost slid. Here we go. This one's gonna be good. Woo! Mustang. Woo! My ears and everything about him just nearly died. Ow, fudge. But still, that was amazing. That was freaking insane. But even though those guys left, it's still People are still out and about, you know, letting them see their cars. Come on, let the Molly go fly. I think this is a muscle car. I'm not sure, but it sounds like it would be. No, the M5. The M5 is leaving. Well, for this one. No, it's exhaust though. Not exhaust though. The car is shaking. What the heck? Loud. It is loud. Just because it's loud doesn't mean it's gonna sound good. And then the M5. Watch out, M5 incoming. No, yeah, M5. I was right, M5. Woo! Nice cars. Lady loves, I hope you guys are enjoying this. If you guys are, make sure you slap a big fat thumbs up on this, because doing car things like this, I just absolutely love doing. Oh, here we go. Guess not. Okay, maybe the M5. Woo! Pretty good. Okay, not bad. Mini little drone. It's so adorable. Oh my God, it was like a small little drone.
Got a good.
Well, that sounds like firecrackers. Woo! Not nice.
Get you a snap, a crackle, and a pop.
Give you a snack, crackle, and a pop. Okay, I'm gonna start using that. When I mod my car, it's gonna be a snap, crackle, and a pop.
Your dad was in there, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah, your dad was just checking out visibility for you, you know?
Uh-oh, the police are here. Police are here. Uh-oh, they're gonna shut this whole place down. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. That's so adorable. Oh my God. And there's the little lights on it too. Oh my God. That's so adorable. So we got a beautiful blue Stingray. This is actually, and it's on the back too. Look at that. It looks really nice. I actually like the wheels on this too. Corvette. I mean, my personal, I would either want this. I either want hey, let me zoom out. Oh, that means you guys are probably seeing it like really up close to my face. Sorry about that. But I either want this, which is the Stingray, which is the least expensive and the basically the what's a good name for it? Basically the gas savior of this car. And I would probably want the Grand Sport, which is right in the middle between this and the Z06.
I know you got those wheels. But those are so good.
Yes,
Look at the body style.
Now you're saying it. You are right.
First car that General Motors did in the wind tunnel, made to cruise 120 miles an hour on the Autobahn.
Woo!
That's cruise speed. That's not top end.
Oh. Ooh boy. Look at him.
I guess I should kill the parking lot.
Probably. Probably.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys should get inside of it? Wait, whoa. I want this. I want to be able to get inside the Ferrari. I want to be able to get inside the Ferrari. I didn't know.
That guy. Yeah,
Can I get inside of it? Thank you so much. Woo.
Very nice.
Here is want to take a shot in there?
Oh, sure. All right, here we go. Give us a good rev as well. All right, here we go.
Yeah, the overruns and stuff.
All right, here we go.
That's my favorite thing is just letting them
Woo! Nice. Yep, and that's just a single big turbo that's doing that. That's not like what BMW had, which is like, which is what they claim it's a dual turbo, but it's just one big turbo as well. So how much horsepower is this pushing now?
I'm sorry?
Well, how much horsepower is this pushing now?
We got the spec sheet up front.
Oh.
503 horsepower.
You say? Woo! V8, 503 horsepower.
Yeah, nuts, man.
503.
Absolutely.
That Mercedes that just went away. So, my Lelos, we got Camaros on deck. We got the 1SS, 2SS, and another 2SS, but this 2SS actually got the red line package, which looks absolutely beautiful. Oh, yeah. Sounds vicious. Sounds violent too. But that's AMG for you. Ooh. Woo. And it says a rear spoiler. Hey! I'm just gonna pull that up, okay? Even though that's the. So speaking of Camaro squad on deck, we got the German squad on deck as well. Looks absolutely beautiful. Man. I don't know the other guy is now. Take your pick. How do you want it? Already got it. Jesus. Okay, okay. That was nice.
Oh, man, I want my Bronco back.
So I haven't seen one of these in person. This is the E60M. This is the E60 M5. And these things are actually, I used to actually really want one of these. Good. Carbon fiber spoiler? Jeez. This was also manual as well. Newer intakes. Woo! Things looking nice, and these things are huge. They're like probably the size of my hand. Oh boy, looks nice. Looks really nice. Come on. Come on. Looks pretty nice. It's quite a beast. All right, here we go. See ya, man. I'm getting a good exercise running. Come on. Come on, please come over here. Oh, no way. Oh! That's freaking ridiculous! Oh my God, my heart! What? Buy M3, Jesus! Okay, M4, come. Woo! That sounds so nice. Alright, so the M3 sedan, the C63 AMG, and a BRZ are about to do this. Oh boy. Prepare your eardrums, loud sound incoming. Whoa! Woo! Okay, nice, come on. Woo! Nice. Woo! Oh, there's a Mustang right here. It wasn't bad, but there's a Mustang about to come over here. That's could be loud as well, I think. Nope, just regular. Just regular. Just regular, unfortunately. 2000. Oh, we got that big old truck. Here we go. Woo! Alright, not bad. That's not bad. Not bad. So you guys, the event is coming into a close. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me, watching everything. And yeah, I'll see you guys back at the house. Well, before I leave, we're planning on we're actually doing a mod to Super. I can't reveal it yet, but soon I will reveal it, and you guys are gonna like it. So, like I said before, thank you guys for joining me on this adventure. Thank you guys so much for liking this. This was an amazing Cars and Coffee event. And there's that Camaro that sent the video off with a bang. And like I said before, thank you guys so much for enjoying me. Thank you guys so much for helping me out. And I'll see you guys back at the house. Yeah, thank you so much.